Hello and welcome to this course on hands-on neural network programming with TensorFlow. Did you ever wonder how you can solve everyday data problems quickly and easily, like automating text processing, classifying images, and predicting results? So it turns out that neural networks and TensorFlow are one of the most powerful technologies to your rescue. These are the important technologies for data scientists to know because they are often more powerful than traditional machine learning techniques. About me, my name is Arvind. I am an experienced researcher in deep learning and I am currently working as a self-driving car engineer. My current work is focused on creating an ADAS platform, that is Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, and use the power of deep learning to provide intelligence to vehicles. So let's quickly go through the course contents on what you will be learning by doing this course. So this course is divided into 7 sections. In section 1 you will learn the basics of neural networks and we will be setting our environment that will help us to run the TensorFlow on our machine. We will look into greater details on what neural networks can do, what is deep learning, and what are the problems that can be solved with TensorFlow and how to actually install TensorFlow. In section 2, we will talk about multi-layer perceptron or plain vanilla neural networks that are very powerful for classification and can be used in many everyday classification problems you might encounter. So in section 2, you will use the neural networks to predict financial fraud. In section 3, you will study the basics of convolutional neural networks and you will create a neural network that will help you to identify images of faces from a dataset called Faces in the Wild. In section 4, you will study the basics of recurrent neural networks and apply those basics to create a model that helps you in forecasting the stock market. In section 5, we will study about a special type of RNNs called long short-term memory networks or LSTMs, and you will use natural language processing to classify movie reviews. In section 6, you will learn about the basics of generative models and you will train a generative model to create artwork using Van Gogh or Da Vinci paintings. In section 7, you will study about autoencoders and you will create model to convert black and white images to colored images.